Hello and welcome. Today, we'll explore a fascinating chapter in the history of ancient Rome. The Roman Republic, its institutions, and the values that shaped a civilization still admired today. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into this historical journey. The Roman Republic was established in 509 before Christ, when the Romans freed themselves from the rule of Etruscan kings. This dramatic change marked the beginning of a new era where power was no longer held by a single ruler but shared among several institutions. This system was designed to prevent abuses of power, a key legacy of this period. The functioning of the Republic relied on three major institutions. The Senate, made up mainly of patricians, members of Rome's aristocracy, it advised magistrates and managed foreign affairs and finances. The magistracies, these positions, held by elected citizens, included consuls, who held executive power, praetors, responsible for justice, and aediles, in charge of public infrastructure. Magistrates were always elected for limited terms, often 1 year. The popular assemblies. These assemblies brought together Roman citizens to vote on laws, elect magistrates, and make important decisions. They symbolized the democratic aspect of the Republic. The Republic's institutions were supported by deeply ingrained values in Roman society. Virtus, courage and personal excellence, especially on the battlefield, were essential for every Roman citizen. Fides, loyalty and trust were at the heart of political and social relationships. Gravitas, this value embodied dignity and seriousness, traits expected of every respectable citizen. Residential publica, the common good took precedence over individual interests, reflecting the Romans' devotion to their city. Despite its achievements, the Roman Republic was not without conflicts. Tensions between patricians and plebeians, civil wars, and the ambitions of figures like Julius Caesar gradually undermined the system. In 27 before Christ, the Republic gave way to the Empire, with Augustus as its first emperor, marking the end of this iconic era. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Roman Republic, a model that inspired many civilizations throughout history. If you'd like to explore more fascinating moments in ancient Rome, subscribe to our channel to stay updated. See you soon for another historical adventure.